Facebook Messenger can help you be together whenever with a free all-in-one communication app, complete with unlimited text, voice, video calling and group video chat features. Easily sync your messages and contacts to your Android phone and connect with anyone anywhere. Let's see how to install Facebook Messenger on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So, open Google Play. On the search above, write Facebook Messenger. Now tap on search. After you have found the app, just tap on install and wait. You have now installed Facebook Messenger on your Android device. Just tap on open. If you already have an account on Facebook connected on your phone, it will ask you if you are that person. If not, it will ask you to log in. Let's tap on continue. I do not wish Facebook to have access to my phone contacts, so I will tap not now. But you, if you wish to sync this app with contacts, tap turn on. Tap OK. Now I will tap also not now. I do not wish to send and receive SMS in the Messenger app. But you, if you wish to do this, tap OK. Now Facebook Messenger is working on your phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.